Hey everybody, Magic Matt here from Blinky.com, and I'm here once again stuck at home because of the global coronavirus pandemic, but I'm still having fun at home with my yo-yo. Now this is a new yo-yo. I haven't used this one before on YouTube. It's called a Skyva Magic YoYo. It's pretty cool. It's a non-responsive or unresponsive yo-yo, and you know, I'm going to do a pretty cool trick with it. I just want to talk a little bit about, I think the world needs to wake up. I was saying this before, like it's like the world has gone to sleep. I don't know if the world has gone to sleep or if it's like we're in some kind of simulation, like the Matrix or something like that. It's crazy. I think I need a red pill. I'm gonna take a red pill and get the hell out of this and wake the hell up out of this coronavirus nightmare simulation crap. But let's hope it gets back to normal before too long. I'm really hoping, because I want to start selling lots of blinkies for everybody's parties. I want people to be able to go to parties and concerts and have fun. We want to go out again, but right now we're stuck at home. And I'm going to do this trick. It's called the Matrix. Here we go. That's the Matrix. Neo here. Or wait, no, I'm Morpheus. I don't think I can pull either one of those off, but it was fun doing the trick. Thanks for watching. Please check out Blinky.com. I'm Magic Matt. Until next time, you're the man. You smell great. Keep being great. And hang in there. Things are getting better.